Welcome to the SeriesLock Xgen Steam in Place sterilization tutorial. Let's walk through the simple steps needed for the process. Leave the white clip and dust cover in place until tubing is attached and both halves are assembled. Save the clip and dust cover for storage after use. After tubing is installed, remove the dust covers by pushing the orange release button toward the open arrow, then pull the cover off each half. Align the two halves and push them together until you hear or feel a click. The click confirms both latches are locked. Next, remove the white clip. Rotate the orange ring inward, then twist it 45 degrees clockwise until it stops to lock. This action pushes the valving through this sterile barrier. If both halves need to be steam sterilized, it's recommended to rotate the ring on each half to full rotation and locked position before continuing to the next step. This creates a seal from left to right. The valves remain closed during this process and does not engage the lockout feature. Disconnect the halves. Press the orange release button toward open and pull apart. Insert the white dust cover until it clicks on one or both halves, as required by your steam in place setup. During steam in place only. After you insert the dust cover, the internal spring may push it back out about 1/8 inch. This is normal. The dust cover protects the open end while allowing steam to flow through and vent. The cap is not sealed, so the steam will be allowed to escape. Proceed with steam. After steam in place, the dust cover may stick. The dust cover extends slightly about 1/8 inch from the connector. Before removing it, push the dust cover fully in about 1/8 inch to break any seal. Push the orange release button to unlatch the dust cover, but keep the cover seated in the connector and don't remove it yet. Before you remove the dust cover, retract the valve assembly behind the white diaphragm to maintain sterility. Unlock the ring. Twist the orange ring 45 degrees counterclockwise until it stops. The orange ring is not spring-loaded. Gently pull the orange ring back toward the tubing until it returns to the starting position. You may feel resistance as the seal releases. For storage, insert the white dust cover until it clicks. Then reinstall the white clips in the orange ring groove.